Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
So vlog world, me there with two at Eldorado girl, them tough, them look good too. Oh, me mean tough, me mean the good tough. Them, you know them say graphics look nice. Not they, you see, they look nice. Oh my God, girl, you so pretty. No, not that one. Hey, I shy one. This, you know, the other one is dangerous. You see her? Jesus, other one. Hey, other pretty one with all bun with island here sleeping. No, dog here bun, Miss Asa. So now, right? When I enjoy the match, yes. I only just start the place at door.
Bad.
Oh, Jesus Christ, I must be bleed. Cardell, give me a refund. Yeah, it's working. Watch out, so fix up it. Fix up yourself, yeah. Oh. 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 So, you know what I'm telling him?
Hi, Peter.
Hey. So, you can tell him my name, and you can say hi, my name is...
I'm Faye. I'm Jody.
Oh, Faye and Jody. Like that name.
Take the shot and
yeah, vlog girl. Yeah. So. Boy, are you on? You know, boy, Maki.
Tomorrow again, you know?
Sunday.
Chris Gill, I mean, never worked out, but
Yeah.
tomorrow again we're going to see what we can do.
Yeah.
Tell her what.
Yeah.
It's going to be versus Sunday. It's going to be
Challenge. No. Sherry sign us up in the bill. Hey. Maki, where there? Anyway, we're on the back. Yeah. But we there have vlog world. You're really bad. Sherry sign us, you cannot talk to him, Maki. Talk to him, please. Yeah. But we there have vlog world are rolling, you know. From the match, Talawa lose again. Me stress out. As usual. Yo, they want to follow a threat. You know what I mean? I say nothing. Yo, any of vlog world. But there. I want to go a journey with your boy. See what guy we are there now.
I get a quick walk.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
MVP. We're going to MVP, right? Boy, go MVP. We're going MVP. Everybody say MVP. Comment down below and say MVP and say yeah. We are got MVP. MVP.
Bruh.
Look the guys, it should be going there. MVP. Oh, empty song. I nobody want go. It look flat. MVP look flat like out at all. Oh my God, they can see. Look at my teeth them. They're so white. Anyway, vlogger, we're there, we had. And Maki, all this. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Big bad man. Let's go. Black where we there. CPL right now, it's crazy vibes. Yeah, Johnny, the boy sign us right now. Sabina Park with the crazy vibes. Talawa go out with a bag of things. I love the vibes and things. Yeah, people them have fun. See it? Them are doing the thing. We're there. The sun out. It's loud. a bell still, but we're there. But anyway, we're gonna go on journey there, boy. Dance me now. Best friend, you better dance. Stop hide your face. I don't know if she'll do that for her. But she have to show her face. Like an informer Sherry Sinus. Hey, wanna get troops, hey, hey, and Margie Sinus. They in the building. They got the big brother up in the place to show Marky there. If ever missing, probably in a bathroom or do something in there. Black girl, so them finally win.
Yeah, but we never know them allowed to do that.
Them will go, them will win.
Russell did quick to play, but them dry him out and bring in Brian Lara.
It's the best thing.
Some of them know.
What do you think about the match today?
Son, turn up and buck.
All while Lara.
I'm more concerned about the sun. than the match.
Only 4 come forward.
So what do you think about the actual match?
No, I'm too often for the sun, yeah. I'm too often for the sun.
Tell them, next time what for we are at. But when's the match hour? In night match.
We're one win.
One win, is it? Another one. Anyway.
No, just one.
No, the next one again. We'll win the next one. But anyway, vlog girl, we're there. I'm glad for the little win. Big up on yourself, Talawa. So we're going vlog girl. So me there. Hope you guys been alright too. And thing. I know say probably a lot of people have questions and things, and I have things I probably want to share with them too. Cause you know, so we're pretty much like family, and I chat to them about pretty much anything. I'm just a man to keep it real and down to earth. So pretty much I realize say, well, I know say enough of probably I say yo, oh I nah vlog, oh I nah stream Apex and thing as me well, a lot of you guys don't know I control my shop. I may try work on that and thing. Recently too, my channel got clamped by YouTube and I lost pretty much thousands of dollars for their reasons, whatever, you know, why. And I had to remove some of my content too. And it did really put a dent into Sinus Gaming. And it did really break my spirit too. And on top of that too, I was just going through some little issues where I pretty much somebody that I love and care about, I don't really think it's gonna work out. So that was on my mind too. I was thinking about this future Sinus Gaming, my career, just this step that I was taking, and to be honest, I not even fully get over my last relationship before this one. And thing, cause we're pretty much still good friends and thing, and just the shock of that does happening, it kinda did affect me, trust me, if I should go into detail. But this situation now, so it's pretty much, to be honest, I have to train my mind to pretty much just let go, because to be honest, I don't really think it's gonna work. It's a situation where I guess feelings change, and then my situation now too, the reason why I not even press more, a lot of you people might see it as something weird, but for me, that's just how I stay. I have the spirit of David. My mother always tell me, say, yo, if you're going to take up a woman, make sure you have your money. And yes, Sinus Gaming I make money, but how me stay, if I'm with somebody, I like feel pretty much do the best what I can and do a lot for them, you know. they lacking nothing, if you get me. You know, and this new journey we're taking doing YouTube on a full time pretty much change a lot of things financially. I have to cut back on a lot of things, and separate apart from that too. That's one of the many reasons too. Next, as I tell you, my vibes it broke. Spirit did pretty much break after YouTube clamped my page and thing. Then I was exhausted, not just with YouTube but some other things health wise too. But the team pretty much helped me for come back around. Well, JD's is still the president. I try to work on a vibe, so I work pretty much having the vibe to work on the next side of Sinus Gaming team, which is the music and some other things. And let's go and work and build up, guys. And then we're having some issues with the dance studio too, so I try sort out some stuff with the team, because we're in a serious situation where if we not sort out certain things right now, we might shut down. I don't want that happen, so that a whole lot of them stuff they kind of rest for my mind and thing. And then yeah, all heap of them little things they make me kind of question my strength and just even my self-esteem and all them stuff there. You know what I mean? I mean, just keep it real. We don't know, and also just some little, a lot of mistakes I've made in the past in regarding enough things. So I've just been cooling out and things, guys. A lot of little things, but my day I'm not give up. My day team, you know what I mean? And I pretty much just want to share all of that with them, and as we go forward, I will get into details regarding some of the stuff them and thing, you know. But that's pretty much it. You see, vlogger, so yeah, respect for the people them who mess with me from day one, you know what I mean? I will keep it real. It's all about gaming and entertainment. And lastly too, guys, it's pretty much a dry season now, not too go on. And thing like that. That's why I not get enough vlog like that. But we soon go up on the road too. I just want to give you a quick update what's been going on and things. So we get a new control, I try work on some money for sort that out too, because control in Jamaica are crazy ridiculous. But other good things that come up, I want to go and watch and see. You see, but when I give up, I just make you know what I got through, what's been happening with me mentally and everything. You see it, Black World. So we're there. Big up to the whole team, big up to everybody who watch me vlog them. I'm a video them and everything. Just a share life, you know? Yeah man, we'll keep it real.
But bad like a cartel song, yo Chuck Star. Tell us I'm sweet like tambourine. I'm in the new to the girl thing, no. Christian girl can't stop singing.